This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can transfer this smartwatch to a new phone. So, in the beginning, wake your watch up and launch settings by, swiping downwards from the watch face and tapping at the settings control. Here, go all the way to the bottom, enter the system category, then once again here, you'll find the transfer watch button. So tap on it, then press this tick button, and wait for, further instructions. Now take your new phone, download and install the Google Pixel Watch app on it, launch the app, here press continue, grant the app with all essential permissions, and tap at your watch in the connection list. Now simply wait for the devices to pair to your new phone and your Pixel Watch to pair, and now you'll set it up as you would normally set up your Pixel Watch, which we have a whole separate video on, so check it out. I will not dive deeper into the process here, just follow the instructions you'll see on your screen. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.